to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be sealing these beautiful concrete vessels together. Now, I have already completed the process, at least the sealing process, and this video will be a voiceover. But I wanted to take a moment to say hi, hello, and thank you. Thank you to all of my followers for your beautiful comments and for being so supportive. And thank you, if you're new here, for watching. By the way, my name is Carla and I'm the creator behind K-Essentials Candles. I create videos all about DIYs and candle making. So if that sounds like something you're into, please consider subscribing. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump right in. Hopefully this was insightful. As you saw in the video, I have been using this Earth Safe Finish Sealer and it has been good so far. There have been some instances where I wasn't applying enough product, and so this was happening. Now I haven't burnt this candle, I just kind of kept it as a reminder and because it's so beautiful. But eventually I probably will burn the candle. It's not going to seep out, so there will be no liquid or wax coming out out of the actual vessel, but you can see how there is the shadow and it was not sealed properly. So it did take some trial and error for me to figure out the process. Why do I mention this? Because it's important. It's important for you to test out your product, for you to, sure, follow our steps, follow the recommendations that you hear from me and other creators, but do your own testing. It's important, and it's your brand. It represents you. So you want it to be as perfect as possible for your future customer, right? All right, guys. So once again, thank you so much for your support, and always remember to let your light shine. Bye.